What's up with y'all? It's Miss KJ here, back with another read aloud for you all. And today we are reading Amara's Farm, written by JaNay Brown-Wood, illustrated by Samara Hardy. Amara has many plants on her farm. Today, Amara must find her pumpkins for her autumn potluck. What do we know about pumpkins? A pumpkin is large and round, often orange, and has a thick shell. It grows on vines and has a hard stem at the top, and its mostly hollow center has orange pulp, squishy innards, and many seeds. Let's help Amara find her pumpkins. A pumpkin is large and round. Is that a pumpkin? No, that's an apple. An apple is round, but not large like a pumpkin. A pumpkin is often orange, with lined ribs. Is that a pumpkin? No, that's a persimmon. A persimmon is orange, but it has a smooth, waxy skin and no ribs. A pumpkin has a thick and solid shell. Is that a pumpkin? No, that's a potato. A potato is solid, but it has thin skin instead of a thick shell. A pumpkin grows on the ground, among leaves and along a vine. Is that a pumpkin? No, that's cauliflower. Cauliflower grows on ground, but it sprouts from the middle of its leaves and not along a vine. A pumpkin has a hard stem that pokes upward from the top of its shell. Is that a pumpkin? No, that's an eggplant. Eggplant stems poke upward, but they also have leafy bottoms that hang downward. A pumpkin has one mostly hollow center. Is that a pumpkin? No, that's okra. Okra is hollow, but it has many hollow spots throughout, not one large opening in the middle. A pumpkin has firm orange pulp. Is that a pumpkin? No, that's a kumquat. Kumquat pulp is orange, but it's juicy and soft and not firm. A pumpkin has squishy innards with long stringy fibers. Is that a pumpkin? No, that's a fig. A fig does have squishy innards, but no long stringy fibers. A pumpkin has many seeds with white shells. Is that a pumpkin? No, that's a kiwi. A kiwi has many seeds, but kiwi seeds are black and not white. Amara's potluck won't be complete without her pumpkins. We've searched and still no luck. Where can they be? Are those pumpkins? Why, yes, those are pumpkins. They are large, round, and orange with thick shells. They grow along a vine and have hard stems that poke upward, and they each have a hollow center, orange pulp, squishy innards, and many seeds. Hooray! We found Amara's pumpkins. And just in time for some bountiful snacks. Which produce can you find at Amara's potluck? The end. Thank you all so much for joining me in my read aloud about Amara's Farm. I hope you all liked it. If you guys enjoyed, Make sure you guys stay tuned for more. And thank you all so much again. Bye.